Hello, good morning सबकी once again Nagaland Times News Channel ti welcome kura ase itia ajila notun khobor khan update kuri dibo. Aji morning la first update ase temjen imna along state president to implementation of PMEGP scheme for travel in Northeast National Scheduled Tribe Finance and Development Corporation under Ministry of Tribal Affairs Government of India bra organized kurati present kurloise Jafo Hotel Kohimate. Itu even to commemoration of 75 years of Indian independence, part of Azadi Ka Amrit, tribal entrepreneurs can country honor kuri organize kuri thagishe entrepreneurship to Northeast India te active process economic upliftment, employment barabole aro youth kan ke opportunities kan dibole nimite. Minister Tota Labes wish to entrepreneurs, especially northeastern state kan ke di thagshe nation uthabole. Next is Information and Public Relation Department to Duidin Intensive Crash Course Rakilo as Life Sound Management Director Pito Music Aro Film Academic Dimapur Kasto Kiba Managing Nagaland Bra Resource Person Kurina Jakali Aro Aji Rakibola Ase Director Information and Public Relation ER Z Tokshe Sema Speech Te Koedishe Taitu Fortunate Ase Government Aro Sop Manike Serve Kurbole Paran Mite Tokshe Semapik trainees kan ki encourage kuri koidishe paratak mon digena notun skill aro due discount to responsible lobole. Jakali first day ti katabra life sound system kan to introduce kurloshe aro inaugural function to joint director IPR bra chart kuri dishe. Next as Chief Secretary Jai Alam Jonai has up to state level war room on COVID-19 to continue inika function kuribo Nagaland State Disaster Management Authority Nagaland Civil Secretary Khan Odur Nodia Takte Chief Secretary P. Ed Kuridishe State Level War Room Function Data Collection Report Submission COVID-19 Situation Control Aro Alag Duty Khan State T Sopi Nagaland State Disaster Management Authority Bra Handle Kurbo Koina Aro Department of Health and Family Welfare Department of Information Technology and Communication Officer Khan Sobra as usual COVID-19 War Room website T report to online T submit Kurbole. Next is a landslide risk evaluation Noklak district final report to Department of Geology Nagaland Pradya Hesapti DC office pra Rakiloshe. PowerPoint presentation T final report project Hesap to nearly 1/4 Noklak township to landslide pra effect ho jashe aro itu to 2 decade opor ho ja koi thaishe. Professor Tong koi dishe kinika tectonic activities earthquake port drainage system aro alag activity bra itu landslide hoi thake itu issue te report itu project study to 1st June 2018 bra shuru ho jashe aro 30 of March 2021 tak rakhi na final report to health kurloise. Next is India Air Force trainer aircraft to Madhya Pradesh land kurbole thaga to crash hoa report pa ase. Official report pa sab to Jakali India Air Force trainer jet fighter to Bebe di Bosti from Madhya Pradesh ti crash kuri dishe. Report aircraft to routine mission te thakshe aro airborne to Air Force Station Valanar bra thagishe. Aro India Air Force to odor di dishe itu aircraft to kinka crash ho jashe itu inquiry thagibole nimite. Next is Assam Pradesh Congress Committee APCC to statewide protest to Jakali Rakhishe BJP lead government bra assembly election agete public khan ke promise kura fail hoa nimite. APCC khan ke solidarity rakhi Guwahati City District Congress Committee khan pi Guwahati Club agete alag issue nimite protest to rakhi dishe. Report itu protest to district pasta Itubar October 30 by election health kurbole thakya khan nohuli sopti rakhilo ase. Congress statement ti BJP khan to Itubar assembly election aketi pasta point public khan ki promise kuri dishe safety of women tea garden daily wage 350 ti uthabole tel la dam aro essentials commodities khan check kurbole aro state ti unemployment side dibole promise kura to ekta pi fulfill no thakya kwa ase. Itu khan issue nimite APCC khan to demonstration program to statewide ti rakha ase itu promise kura khan fulfill kurbole. Next ase report hesap to 17 June tracker khan Himachal Pradesh pra missing ho jashe koina senior police official ko ase. Report hesap to trackers khan to October 14 bra Harshal adjoining Uttarakhand chargina jatu weather issue thaka nimiti October 17 aro 19 macheti kinka ho jashe iku khobor na pa ho jashe. Kannur Deputy Commissioner release kura hesap to police forest department aro quick response team khan tu spot te ja kalibra pathai dise aro Indo Tibetan border police khan pi milai gina search operation tu trusted bra sur hoi jaise koina DC8 kur thagya khubur te share kuri dia ase. Next ase narcotic control bureau khan search operation tu Bollywood actress Ananya Pandey residence Bandra Pali Hill te rakhiloise questioning nimite. Reporting young actress Ananya Pandey tu anti-drug agency khan bra questioning karni ja kali 2 baje phale appear kurbole koi dise kile Aryan Khan nothora akete actress tu taiki look Korean thaga nimite. Sources by sub to phone laptop aro electronic device khan tu sis kuri dise koi thakse Ananya residence te. Reported Aryan Khan label tu Mumbai High Court bra recheck kuri dise aro till October 26 tak jalti thakibole extend kuri dise. Next ase Uttarakhand flood situation miti mura to hule 64 jon hoi jase aro 11 jon tu ita tak missing thakya ko ase. Government official release statement ti 3500 opor rescue kulose aro 16000 opor manukhan safety jaga te rakhilose. Union Home Minister Amit Shah jakali aerial survey tu Uttarakhand ti rakhilose kiman phanga phang kudise itukan sabolen mite. To Uttarakhand government khan report release kura hisab tu 7000 crore estimate to flood pra phanga phang kuri dise. Next ase US military base AL Tanifty drone pasta aro missile launcher bra phanga phangi kuri dise koina report pa ase. Report pa hisab tu US military base AL Tanifty pasta drone aro missile launcher bra residence military barrack khan target kuri dise aro ju ulaise koi thakise. Ita takte iku phanga phang kura khobor tu aha nai Syria opposition khan ko hisab tu US military base Syria Jordan aro Iraq border ti bomb khan tu blast thakya reveal kuri thakise. Aro aji morning la notun khobor khan yate bra khotom kura ase.